Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing and try on haul from BERLOOK. So BERLOOK is a company that was kind enough to send me some yoga fits and a swimsuit, so I'm going to share my honest thoughts and yeah, just arrived today in the mail and I'm so excited to try them on for you and let you know what I think. All right. Feels like Christmas. Speaking of Christmas, what better than to give your friends some cute outfits, am I right? Okay. So it's this deep purple set. This is the top. I like the design a lot of this sports bra. It's very flattering the way that the straps kind of are more so to the side and a little bit wider. I definitely think that's fitting for my body type. And I just love this color, like, so nice. Here are the leggings. So very cute, the style as well. Love when I have pockets because your girl also goes to the gym and the places I have left my phone. Here's what it looks like on. This fit really works for a yoga body. It's functional but still cute, hugging the skin in all the right places. Don't forget to use the code in the description for 15% off. The swimsuit, a ribbed material. It feels super cozy. It's giving Lana Del Rey. One of those oversized hats lying on the beach with heart-shaped sunglasses. I was also gifted this cute little recyclable bag to put the swimsuit in after you're done so you don't get any of your other items wet. Live light, feel right. Namaste. Here's the swimsuit on. It feels super comfortable while still showing natural shape and movement. I love the timeless look of this one piece. I'm definitely gonna come up with any excuse to wear this. And the second set, the leggings, light tan color. How adorable is the back? I like design. I like a little uniqueness in the clothing. So I'm curious to see how this is gonna look. This is the top. So this off-white, cream colored top. I didn't realize that it was going to be mesh, but I like that even better. So we have the sports bra that is attached. And then the mesh long sleeve goes over top. Here is your classic yoga fit. It's super feminine, but still functional. You can actually breathe and flow in this outfit. The fabric is silky smooth. See the description for some insider coupon codes and free gifts. Thank you, BERLOOK, again, and happy holidays, everyone.